Hello student, today we are going to learn a 5th standard mathematics, that is shapes and angles. In the previous class we learned about some shapes and angles also. What is angle, what is corner, what is edge, correct? So in this class we are going to learn different types of shapes. So I have written different types of shape. You have to write the shape, okay? You have to write the shape. So some little bit I will explain, okay? Square, correct? Square, it has a 4 sides, correct? It has a 4 sides and it has a equal 4 sides, correct? Equal 4 sides, 4 corners, 4 edges, correct? Then rectangle, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel, correct? 4 opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. Correct, opposite sides are only equal. Then triangle, it has a 4 sides, 4 corners and 4 angles, correct? Then circle, circle, it has any angle? It has one angle, correct? It has one angle, that is complete 360 degree, correct? The complete 360 degree. Pentagon, how many sides? 5 sides, okay? Pentagon has 5 sides, 5 corners, 5 angle. Then hexagon, what about hexagon? It has 6 sides, 6 angles, 6 corners. Then comes to octagon, it has 8. What is 8? 8 sides, 8 angles, 8 corners. Then nonagon, it is 9. 9 sides, 9 corners and 9 angles. What about heptagon? It has 7 sides, 7 angles, 7 corners. Decagon, it is 10. So you have to write the shape of square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Then nonagon is over heptagon, okay? So you have to write the shape. You have already know about how many sides are there in their shape, okay? So in the last class we have learnt about the angles. So how to measure an angle? We need one device to measure an angle, correct? Without any device we can't measure an angle, correct? So we are using a protractor, okay? We are using a protractor to measure any angles. So before going to measure any angle, we have to learn different types of angles, okay? Basic different types of angles. First we will see a right angle, okay? First we are going to study a right angle, okay? So what is right angle? It exactly an angle is exactly a 90 degree, okay? Angle exactly a 90 degree to straight lines, okay? An angle that is exactly a 90 degree, okay? Then acute angle, first is a right angle, next comes to acute angle. Acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degree. It is 90 degree, correct? The straight line from here, it is 90 degree. It is less than, this line is a less than 90 degree, correct? So acute angle, what is acute angle? An angle that is that is less than 90 degree. Then comes to straight angle, that is a straight line, that means 180 degree. This one, straight line 180 degree, that is straight angle. This one is a angle, okay? An angle that is exactly 180 degree, that is exactly a 180 degree. Then comes to obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, in that the angle, an angle that is greater than 90 degree. Okay, that is greater than 90 degree. This one is a 90 degree, no? This one is a 90 degree, correct? This one is a 90 degree. Then this one is a 180 degree, correct? It is a greater than a 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Somewhere in between 90 and 180 degree. Okay, somewhere between 90 and 180 degrees. Understood? That is obtuse angle. Then comes to full angle or complete angle. Full angle or complete angle, that is 360 degree, that is circle. Understood? That is circle, 360 degree. An angle that is exactly 360 degree. Complete one angle. Okay, understood? Then comes to reflex angle. An angle that is greater than 180 degree. Okay, that is, here it is 180 degree. It is 360 degree. So it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Okay, it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is a reflex angle. These are the basic different types of angles. What are they? Which are they? Right angle, acute angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, full angle and reflex angle. So these are the different types of angles. So now my question is, generally where we can see different types of angles generally. Okay, it is in the mathematics, correct? It is in the geometry we are learning different types of angle. But in our daily life we are come across so many angles, correct? Yes or no? Yes. When I hold a hand like this, I can say it is a right angle, correct? It is a right angle, correct? It is a right angle, straight. When I say hold like this, it is acute angle because it is 90 degree. When it comes to here, it is less than 90 degree. When it becomes here, it becomes an angle that is less than 90 degree. That is acute angle, correct? Understood? Other than that, where we can find a different angles? Other than that, in a clock, can we? In a clock, correct? In a clock we can see a different angles. I will rub this one. See, not only in our body, not only in a hand, in our legs also we can do different types of angles, correct? Different types of angles. How? Different types of angle. If I take this two as a leg, okay, if I take this two is a leg of a human being, when a human being stretch a leg like this, consider it is a leg, okay? When stretch like this, okay, when a leg stretch like this, it will become a 90 degree, correct? This angle is now 90 degree, correct? When a leg becomes like this or like this, it becomes less than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, correct? When I stretch like this, like some yoga poses, like when I can, if I do, that is, we can get a straight angle, that is 180 degree. Some yoga postures also we can get angles, correct? When we stretch like this or like this bend, correct? We can get a different angles in our daily day life, not only in a geometry, not only, we should not stick to the mathematics. Mathematics is included in our nature also. Correct, student? Understood? Why we are learning this shapes and all, shapes or angle something? Correct? Understood? So, in a human being is over. When it comes to clock, okay, when it comes to clock, 12, 3, 6, 9, correct? This one is a clock. When it comes like this, it is 90 degree. When it goes to 2 or 1, when it goes to, it is a 3 o'clock. When it is 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:05, 3:10, it becomes acute angle. Correct? It becomes acute angle. When it comes to 3, somewhat this arrow will move, no? Then what is the angle? What is the angle? Somewhat when we, if we recognize this, if we measure this angle, it may be a acute angle. If I measure this angle, it is a reflex angle. Correct? Understood? So, other than that, where we can see bridges, in a bridges, see, 2 pillars, this one is a bridge, okay. In a bridge, side walls like this, somewhat like this, some designs were there, okay. What is the angle between this? What is the angle between this? What is the angle between this? What is the angle between here? What is the angle of this straight line? Correct? What is the angle? Correct? There are so many angles in our surroundings. Okay? You have to identify it. That's all. So, this bridge is over. When it comes to leaves, okay, some like this will be there, no? This somewhat a straight, not exactly straight, somewhat straight. We can say one angle, no? From this we can say one angle. Correct? A tree and a earth, okay, it makes one angle. It will make one angle. Correct? So, not only in mathematics, in our surrounding, in our daily day activity, we are come across a different types of angle. We can see a different types of angle. You should identify it. Then only math becomes fun. Otherwise, maths will be a difficult one. Okay. So, what you have to do is go to garden. Or not only, it's okay if you are not, it is a rainy season, you can't go out. In a home only, in your room, you have to find out a different angle. It may be in a table, it may be in your compass box, correct? It may be in your rubber, eraser, correct? So, you have to identify a different angles. If it is a right angle or acute angle or reflect angle, you have to identify. Take one item, okay. Take one item in my room, okay. I have one fan, okay. I will take that one. For example, if it has an angle, I should find out, okay. So like that, you have to find out and you have to write it in your book and send it to me. So this is all in this class. Hope you understood the topic, the different types of shapes and different types of angles.